Okay, now let's look more specifically at what RNA exactly is. So, what RNA is, it's like a messenger that goes to protein and tells them, hey, protein, go make more proteins. So, essentially, RNA is it's a cause of the creation of more and more proteins. And there's this thing called RNA polymerase. As we learned before, it's an enzyme and it helps bond nucleotides together to create RNA. And the difference between RNA polymerase and DNA polymerase is that it cannot proofread. So what DNA polymerase can do is that after it's done, it goes back and it fixes the mistakes that it did. However, RNA polymerase cannot do it. It's just one way. You just go bum bum bum. Now, RNA is made out of it's the same thing as DNA. It's made out of a chain of nucleotides. So it's made of a pentose sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogen containing base, which is AUGC instead of ATGC. RNA is differently from DNA is that it's a single strand. So there's only one strand while DNA has two. And the thing about this single strand is that it helps RNA to actually kind of fold back, 접혀, on itself. And so it can become like a specific shape. And this helps to catalyze, to like increase certain reactions. So this can help RNA to kind of act similarly as like enzymes. And the most important thing is that RNA is like an intermediate link. It's a link, the bridge between the DNA and the protein. The DNA is located in the nucleus while protein is located in the cytoplasm. So what RNA does is that it's kind of makes a bridge between these two things and between these two places. And so it's like a, a link that links together transcription and translation, which are located in different places. And RNA is like a temporary copy of DNA, which is like after it's fulfilled its purpose, after it sends the message to protein, then it's destroyed. So it's not permanent, it destroys and it's like gone after it fulfills its duty. And here in this chart, I just like organize the difference between DNA and RNA. So DNA is deoxyribose, while RNA is ribose, which means that I think RNA has like one more oxygen than DNA does. So DNA it does not have the oxygen, and the bases are DNA. The only thing that's different is DNA has thymine, while RNA has uracil. That's the only difference. Everything else is the same. DNA is a double strand, so it's a double helix, two strands, while RNA is a single strand, so it only has one strand. Now, there are different types of RNA. There are three types: messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, and transfer RNA. Messenger RNA, conveniently, is called mRNA. Ribosomal is rRNA, and transfer RNA is called tRNA. So you just need to take the first letter of each word and stick it to RNA. So messenger RNA, what is it? So it's a message because it's messenger RNA. It's a message that tells the protein to make protein. So it tells the cell, it goes to the cell and goes, you make this type of protein, okay? And so the thing is like it sends the message to the ribosome. I'm going to talk about it later, but ribosome is located in the cytoplasm. So what does it? Goes to the cytoplasm, goes to the ribosome, and tells them, okay, make this certain type of protein. And mRNA is actually the only type of RNA out of these three RNAs that is translated to form protein. The others aren't. So messenger RNA, mRNA, is in the process of transcription. Ribosomal RNA, rRNA, very easy. And this is actually a part of the ribosome. So it's like a key component of ribosome. And what is a ribosome? So ribosome is like a factory for making proteins. It just creates protein. That's what a ribosome is. And the way it creates protein is by connecting amino acids. So multiple amino acids together will make protein. So what ribosomes do are they read the message from the mRNA and they go, okay, so we have to make these type of proteins, and so they form proteins. And this thing all happens in translation.